So there is a term called Suker rally. So what is Suker rally? Suker rally is when the market or an asset price of an asset rises or price of any financial instrument rise when the fundamentals are really bad. Now you know what is happening. Yesterday, second part of trading session after European markets opened, market recovered sharply all over the world, and today also we saw a smart recovery, right? Now all these are fake, I think. Yeah, I'll tell you why. Because fundamentals have not changed. Russia-Ukraine war has not de-escalated, and US have banned import of Russian crude, and that is why crude oil prices have gone above 130. And crude oil prices, in spite of market moving high, moving significantly, recovering significantly, there was no reduction of crude oil. Crude is still trading at 123, I think. Yeah, 123 or $125 per barrel. Gold prices are still there, still there only. They have not. It is not reduced. And FIAs is different thing. The FIAs have not stopped selling. Till now they are selling. For the last 30 days they have sold for around 75,000 crores. 2 weeks, 52,000 crores, and yesterday was very impressive figure, 8,142 crores. Right? So all fundamentals are, and one more thing I want to tell you is 10-year bond yield is also increasing. So you have to remember, 10-year bond deals are decreasing, interest rates are decreasing. That means there is a high demand of bonds. So smart money is moving towards bond. So whatever you are seeing for the last 2 days is going to be temporary. I can assure that, and I can tell you markets are going to come down. In spite of all this happening, India VIX has cooled significantly, but I wouldn't say it has gone below 24. In spite of all this happening, market rallying more than yesterday around 200 points, today around 350 points, 550 points in 2 trading session. India VIX have just come down by 4%. It is somewhere around 27 or 26.5. So my thing is, what I think is, and it's my personal view, that this thing may be a super trap. You don't have to be bullish in the market. Don't turn bullish in the market. And why all these things are happening is because yesterday afternoon there was a news in Europe that Eurozone is going to issue bonds to finance their energy things and defense for defense things. So that is the reason this bond issue, they are going to issue a massive bond, and that is why market has rallied. Otherwise, if you see fundamentally, all the things are in bad shape. Nothing has changed. So I would suggest you please wait for some more time and don't jump into the market. Markets may go down. That's what I think. Markets may go down, and if this news is not confirmed, and if this Eurozone bond thing is not confirmed, then market will hit very bad. Last 2 days it has gone by 550 points. If this news is rumor or speculation, then market may see another 1,000 points on the downside. So it is up to you whether you want to be in the market or if you don't want to be in the market. But today's recovery was very much interesting, and you imagine what would be the state of people who would have return calls for last 3, not last 3, even 1 week. People have returned massive calls both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, but as I told you, they would have call raters would have 16,000. Yesterday I saw 16,000 call option had the highest open interest. Today that is gone. People would have lost heavily, right? Whoever had written 16,000 call would have lost heavily. And seeing at the open interest, tomorrow is going to be expiry, and we hope markets to expire between 16,000 and 16,500. So that's what I see, right? And even this Europe, what is that? US markets are firmly in the green. US futures are up by 400. Dow future is up by 447 points, and even Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is on steroids. So that's what they say, right? And Bank Nifty also, there is heavy put writing both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this happens now and then. So for Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty yesterday I saw 33,000. Yeah, I think 33,000 or 33,000 had the highest open interest, and 2000 for 200 points rally in two trading session, 1.5 trading session to be precise. Yesterday afternoon this rally started, and today also we continued, and expiry for tomorrow is expiry 35,000 on the upside and 33,000 on the downside should be a resistance and support. And this is what we say. That's why we say this market is not tradable when the India VIX is high, very much high. So this is what happens. Last 2 or 3 trading session we saw everybody was bearish, and today everybody is turned bullish, and we really don't know what is going to happen going forward. So if you are not comfortable with whatever is happening, it is absolutely fine. You can stay away the market. It is better for you. That's what I think. Even though I tell so many things, we have taken very small limited trades. We have not used our full potential, or we have not used our full capital, just in case if there is any bad news, or in case there is a news that whatever story we heard about Eurozone is fake, then we will see maybe another 1,000 or 1,500 points in Nifty and Bank Nifty also. If you don't have to say about Bank Nifty can move 3,000 or even 3,000 points. So that's what I would like to tell you. And tomorrow is expiry. I think tomorrow's expiry should expire between 16,000 to 16,500. Already we are at 16,325. If tomorrow expires quietly and calmly, then we will see what we can do on Friday or next trading session. So that's what these things and all are rumors. All these days, media is running this business. Whatever war and whatever these things, media is running. Media is running the world. When there is a war, they jumped. There is a war. There is going to be nuclear, that and this. Now everybody forget Russia-Ukraine war. Now everybody is talking about bond issuing by Europe. Now after a few days, they will forget this also, and some other news will come. So they are creating curiosity among viewers, right? And let us see how things pan out. For now, what I think is we can be in the market, but you have to take a very light position, and you shouldn't be trading with your full capital like normal trades. So that's what I think. So it is really up to you. If you want, you can trade, or you can just avoid the market and have a peaceful time with your family. So that's it. Nothing much. Take care. Happy trading. Bye.